I'm already ecstatic. Here, you might have seen my newest instrument poke into frame. This is my fretless Rogue 300 fucking, no, Series 3 fretless bass. Got it for like $200. I didn't get insurance, so we're gonna find out right now with my amp if anything has gone wrong with it. Well, I think that's good. The input jack's a little tight. Oh yeah, the amp's not plugged in. But I was doing vibrato, and it sounded so characteristic. Like I was pre-gaming. I was listening to Prism. I was listening to Ken Watanabe, and this could go horribly wrong. I turn my amp on, but let's find out. Oh, we're in there.